So today's the day, my first ColourPop haul. Check it out. Hey, I'm Melanie Mills. Welcome to my channel. Okay, we're gonna have two parts to this video. I'm gonna do the haul part first, and then I'm gonna do like the reviews after, I think. At least a try on, like first impressions. So let's get to the haul. Okay. It's here, my first ColourPop haul. It started because I have a slight obsession with purple eyeshadow lately, and I was looking at ColourPops and they were so cheap. And then there was this palette and it was so pretty, and it had the purple and a green and a yellow, and I had to have it. So let's see what it looks like. The first thing in the bag is my no filter concealer. I think I went a little too light. Okay, wow. Whew. That is light. All right, I'll write what I got right down below. Let's see. All right, what do you think? Oh, I got a little card from ColourPop. I like how you roll. All right. Cute. I don't know. That makes you fun. That's fun and exciting, isn't it? Okay. I don't have to it's not the grab bag, I can peek inside. All right, what's this? The next thing is a cream gel liner. All right, look here, it's drying down kind of like a good color for me. That might be a good match. Okay, the next thing I got was a navy liner, and I'm so excited for this color because I don't know, sometime last year I started thinking about navy blue, but I didn't get any. And then I had like $3 more in my cart to get to free shipping, which is like at $30, which is amazing. Okay, so it's $30 free shipping at ColourPop. And so I thought, navy blue liner. So let's try that out. Let's swatch that. All right, it almost looks black. I'd almost say it's a midnight blue. All right, next thing up, it's kind of got smashed in the bag, is my no filter foundation. Again, insert the shade I purchased. All right, I could not. Well, it looks like it has really good coverage. Nice. All right, I'm just getting so excited. I'm gonna have to do a foundation Friday this week. I picked up a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in purple as well. The dog is barking in the background. She gets so excited when I make videos because I get so excited, and she starts now she's looking out the window and she thinks she sees a rabbit. And she just has to have, look at this color. Okay. Check it out. All right. I don't know. It's like...
You see the glittery shininess to it?
Oh God, look at that. Super pretty. All right, what an awesome day. Okay, so this is my first ColourPop haul. And I got all this stuff for like $30, I think, $32 maybe. Okay, check it out. Here is the last. The whole reason I did this was this Make Up Your Mind. I think. Okay, so I wanted this color, and this color. I wasn't about that color, and I don't know that I mean, my hair's kind of silver, so I guess I could try it. And then this is just like a normal shade. What I wanted to see was these three colors, and we're going to have to swatch them. Okay, I hate arm reviews, so I just cut out all that and just did a swatches on my arm, and that's why you're staring at my hairy arm. Okay, all the colors were amazing and beautiful, except that purple. You can see it's kind of weak. Okay, so welcome to the first impressions part of this video. I'm Melanie and I like makeup. If you're new to my channel, I don't think I had a chance to introduce myself. I put out 2 videos a week. Please subscribe right now. Okay, we're going to try on medium 80. This is the color that I, for some reason, picked out. In my swatch, that was yesterday for me, just a few minutes ago, it looked a little orange, so I'm a little concerned. But let's try it out. All right, I usually just squirt some on my hand like this to get started. I never know quite what to do. Let's dot some on. Whoa! Let's see, that might be a lot. All right. Let's see what we're dealing with. Okay, time for a little talk. See, I have rosacea. You see all that redness? That's why I'm using like an orange, warmer tone to help cover that up. It seems to be working pretty well. I'm 45 years old, so I have wrinkles. There's wrinkles around my eyes, starting around my lips, and the 11. So, oh, and then this giant marionette line on my face. I don't know. So these are the issues that I'm dealing with. I don't tend to break out very often. But I'm hoping this provides me the coverage that I need and doesn't settle onto the wrinkles. So let's check it out. Okay, so I see a little spottedness here, but like you see what I started with. So this is looking pretty good, albeit a little orange. Let's just continue. So the next thing we're going to try is the concealer. I think I went too light. I wanted light 16 and I wanted to get my order placed, and I went with light 14. It seems a little light for me, but let's just see how it works. You see I have like the red that looks like it's my transition color, poorly blended, and then the dark circles. I don't know how much of this is gonna work. All right, and let's blend it out. I forgot Visine eye drops. I have red eyes. $6 concealer. I think it's the wrong color. And $12 foundation. I also think it's the wrong color. These are the troubles of shopping online. You may get a deal for the price, but you don't know what you're doing color selection wise. You may be sure of luck. Okay, so I got this palette, Make Up Your Mind, and we're gonna do the first impression of it now. And I just want to tell you the reason I didn't get this palette, and the reason now I'm stuck here trying to do this, is it's like make up your mind. You have to decide what color you're going to use, and you want to use them all, and I am not skilled enough to make that work. So since I also bought like one of their Super Shocks, this was like $12 by the way, and then it was like a 25% off sale, so it was like $9.60, and then this was like $5 usually, and I think I got it for like $3.60 with the 25% off sale. So good prices, like 2 grams. I mean, good prices, okay? So, but let's see how they work. And I don't know what to do, but since I want to try this purple, we're gonna go with this purple color scheme first, and then try. And remember, do not follow me for any sort of tutorial. I suck at this. I am not a professional makeup artist. I'm just a girl or a woman who likes makeup, because like these wrinkles like make me not want to call myself a girl anymore. Let's go right into the purple and put it on the center of the eye. All right, that's not bad. That's some purple. That's kind of pink color. I definitely had to wet my brush to get it. And I'm not getting the most incredible payoff ever. Let's just keep going with that a little bit more. All right, so that's that. What we wanted to do next was the silver. Now, I'm trying the silver without anything on it, because it looks like it really packed on. It looks good. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna go, oh. I can't even believe I'm doing this. Why would I do this? Alright, that did not, did you see that? Like, I don't even know I like that. But that did not need a wet brush at all. Alright, we're gonna try and... Well, I kind of just feel like I need to pack it all on. Every shade, everything. Look at this light. Has that been there the whole time? I'm a mess. All right, let's do this. So we're gonna go in with my new liner. Hold on, let's see what color this was. This was DTLA, and it was $5. What I did want was this eyeliner, because it is a navy blue. It is so pretty for a blue. I think I should have done it on the top, but regardless, how are you going to make these two things work, you may ask? I don't know. I'm not a makeup artist. I was just slapping shit on my face. I just wanted to try it all on. I'm gonna wash my face when I'm done. I'm pretty sure. All right. So the thing about this Super Shock cushion is it's like a cushion. Okay, so I don't think it's Super Shock cushion, but you see how like it's like a gel-like and you can push on it and then it gets off on your finger? It doesn't really get off on my finger, you know what I'm saying? Perfectly dry giant brush. Let's stick it in the Super Shock and let's see if we can get any payoff. All right. It's packing. It's packing it on. It's on. I am not a makeup artist. Okay, so how do you fix this when you end up like this? Now, one would say blending, but I say add more. What I really want to do is just, I need to dip into this green and this yellow, and I don't know how they're going to get on this eye, but that's what's happening. So I'm thinking we're going to dip in the green, and it's a dry brush, and we're going under the eye. Oh, that would be pretty if I didn't screw it all up so bad. That is a pretty, pretty color. Oh my god, I should have done my eye. I should have done the reverse. The green on top and just a little purple underneath. First, okay, we're gonna blend. We gotta do a little bit of blending because we gotta figure out what we're actually dealing with here. As I'm blending, I think I can use this dark, weird ass color right here to make it look okay. Okay, so we're gonna dig into that. Okay, I took a little break. And I sat down to have some coffee, and then I found my another brush, and then I sat down here and looked at myself, and I was like, I don't know, I've had an ongoing hair problem. And I looked at this eye look, and I looked at my hair, and and I was looking at where I'm going to put this yellow, because the yellow just doesn't go. And I looked at my hair, and it's the same problem I'm having with my hair. I have blue. I have some green. I have yellow. I have silver. I have purple. I have all this mess of colors, and none of it's working. So I'm going to Sally's later on, and I'm going back blonde later this week, because it's too much. I'm 45. The kids, everyone's over it. They're like, just brown hair, Mom, brown hair. So, brown hair wins, or blonde hair. All right, but listen, this is the same look I'm going for, so I have to put the yellow in because this eye look is inspired by my hair. I've got all these colors in my hair, but I also have this stupid gold, which is the whole problem I was trying to get rid of. So we're gonna put the gold in. I'm gonna add this peach, and then we're gonna get all these colors on this eye. So let's do it. Let's go for it. Okay. So I thought that something a little bit more up here, I'd just go with the peach. So I'm going to dig into the peach. Lots of payoff on that one. And we're just going to... And that kind of did it, didn't it? That's kind of nice. So let's do it again, a little bit more. And then we'll blend that a little bit. That kind of finished that part off, right? I was also considering adding that peach back to the corners because I really hated the silver. Let's do that. Let's go in again, tiny little bit of this. I'm a mess. I found this little brush, and I think I should just go down here with a tiny bit of the yellow, okay? I really want a lot of yellow, but we're just going to go in with a tiny bit of yellow. That really packed on. I have to go out in public today. Okay, so my final first impressions thoughts. Here's my look. Check it out. Let's talk about the eyeshadow first. I had to get rid of the yellow because it looked terrible, but now I'm pretty freaking pleased with it. Okay, the palette, the yellow is pretty amazing. The green was to die for, and the purple I had a lot of trouble, which is what I really wanted. But the other colors seem really great, except for the purple. But I'll probably use it a lot more before I give you final thoughts. That was my first impression. The shock, no, that's something entirely different. The Super Shock shadow, I really like that. It took some packing it on to get it on there, but wow, it's sparkly and it feels so good and cushiony. I feel like I have to have them all. So I have a little obsession now with that. And okay, we're gonna let that go. And I don't even feel like that needs any more review, but I don't know how the lasting power is or anything. The eyeliner was perfect. It was just what I wanted. I don't know how it stays, but it was exactly the color I was hoping for. So yay. And the concealer and foundation. Foundation I thought was orange. It isn't orange. And so far I've been wearing this maybe like an hour trying to finish this between the dog and life and phone calls, maybe 2. And it's kind of going strong. So, you know, it's all working with the hair, which will soon be going. So catch me in my next videos coming up soon for my eternal search or eternal quest for ash blonde hair, getting rid of the blue and getting back to normal hair color. Thank you for watching my first impression, my haul first impression video. I love you. I love subscribers. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.